friends, I'm coming to you from my phone because we just went on a hike to get here. Like a hike. Look. Look at that. I have my big camera with me, but it was a little bit of a difficult hike, so I decided to put it away and focus. And I'm also bear repellent, so there's that. But it's beautiful. I have been taking pictures with my phone, so I will post those pictures here. But look at these views. Just look at them. Okay, so we've been out in that beach area for like probably an hour, huh? We've been out there.
Yeah.
And Cameron told us to come a little bit further on the trail before we head back. And it's already, let me show you, it's already so beautiful. Okay, this area reminds me of behind Big Thunder Mountain. You know, right next to Galaxy's Edge. You know my favorite spot, Bub? Mm-hmm. This is what this reminds me of. Okay, we're almost done with the trail, guys. We're almost done. We're on the easy part. It's pretty much just this from now on. Whew. We've made it. Made it back to the parking lot. Sorry if it's a little jumbly. We're going downhill. But we've made it. Look how pretty it is here. I mean, it's pretty everywhere we've been today, but we made it to the parking lot. Those of you that were on our live, you know this was hardcore. Okay, bye. This is our post-hike meals.
Yep.
I got panko crusted prawns with baked beans and garlic rice. Ooh. And my mom and I are sharing this and crab legs with, she's got the corn and the rice
And the butter.
and really, do you eat the crabs for the crab or the butter? It's for the butter. Cameron got bison steak with the baked beans and rice.
And Scott, turn your plate there.
I've got the salmon bake.
He got the salmon bake.
Which
I didn't mention, we're at the Salmon Bake, by the way. It's a place called the Salmon Bake post-hike. Yeah. And we also have beers. Cameron and I have the, it was a raspberry something, like raspberry
the lady told
ale.
us.
It's like a rotating thing that they have going on. And so we got a pitcher, and it's delicious. And I hit my tooth. Hello, welcome to day 5. We left our little cabin. We're now in Whittier, getting some fish and chips, and gonna take a look around. All right, here we go. All the fried food.
Yeah, fried food.
Yeah. Let's eat. Hello friends, we've made it back to Anchorage, and let me show you this house. It is insane. Okay, I'm gonna start outside this time, I think. We're gonna switch it up, so let me show you the outside first. And just stick with me. This house is really funky, so it might be kind of hard to like follow along, but try to stick with me here. Okay, that is like a garage front door. So cute. You might also hear me say so cute thousands of times. Walk in here. Little patio here, and then you can go down these stairs, and there's this super cute little grassy area, and then we have another spot over there that goes outdoors, and we'll go out there at some point, but let's go back. So let's go back through the front door. Oh, tripped a little bit. Okay, so here's the front door. Oh, creepy. How long were you in there?
Welcome.
Are you gonna be our tour guide?
No.
Oh, okay. You're showing the... I don't know what's happening. Anywho's. So you walk in the front door. Here's just where we were standing outside. Trying to be as detailed as possible. This place is crazy. Okay, so you come into this family room, I guess? So this is just like a family room with a dining room table, couch, Cameron. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna go to mine and Cameron's area of the house. Down here. And here's mine and Cameron's room. It's already kind of a mess. I guess we could... Is there no... Oh no. There's no blackout blinds on this one. That might be an issue. We'll have to see. Oh. But it's kind of in this little... Maybe it won't be an issue. But anyways, this is our room. Pretty comfy bed. And then we'll come down here in this little basement area. So this is the grass we just looked out. And this is where the TV is. These are cool. It like reclines. Super cool. We'll get to that in a second. We've got just one bathroom. Not super duper exciting, but a bathroom. And come around here and look at this. This is like a whole bar area. It's so cool. Got some bar stools, wine fridge, mule cups, and the cool, I feel like every good bar needs these kinds of lights, right? Yeah, I think so. Look at it. It's just so cool. And then you open this and you're like, oh, utility closet. Psych. Utility closet. Hold on. Utility closet, washer and dryer, and like workroom, sort of. laundry room basement thing. I don't know. So that is downstairs. Let's go back upstairs. Now we're gonna hang a left here. We've got this is bedroom number 2 that we've seen. Cameron and I did test all the beds, and we decided that they were all the same. So we wanted to be downstairs in our own little area. So there's another bedroom, another bathroom. Here we go. It's super cute. I love this wood tile. And then we've got kind of like a kid's room, 2 twin beds, some kids' books up there, which is super cute. Okay. So now we're still kind of on the main floor. Back to Cameron and the living room. Oh. And the kitchen, which I love. It is, love this green, love this tile. It's just so good. I like the open shelves. And of course the farmhouse sink. If we ever get our dream home, it will have a farmhouse sink. Super cute. So that is the main floor, pretty much. Let's come over here. I think my mom's upstairs talking to someone, so I'll show you. There's the microwave for some reason. Kitchen, microwave. Okay, so it's the garage. We came in, which is great that they let us park in the garage. And then, let's see if I can, oh gosh. Oh, huh. There we go. Okay. And then we have this fire pit. Isn't that so cool? It's amazing and beautiful. So that's the grassy area down there. That's where we were up there. That's the living room where Cameron's sitting. And then that's down where mine and Cameron's space is down there. Now you may think, oh, yeah, that's a beautiful house. We're not done, folks. Ooh, we're not done. We still have a whole floor to show you, because you may have noticed I didn't show you where my mom was sleeping yet. Ugh. Also, look at this little necklace I got in Whittier today. Cameron got it for me. It's a little bear. It's so cute. Okay, let me show you the rest of the house. Okay, so we're back here. That was the garage. We're gonna head up these stairs to see what else there is. Let's go. And here's the master suite. Look at that. What is even this place? If you choose to work out on vacation, you can do so. If you choose to do some work on vacation, you can do so. But there's a king bed, looks like. King
bed.
Big old TV, fireplace, big old windows. That one, and that one all have automatic shades that come down, which is pretty cool. Oh, and look at this light. Wow. Oh, okay, good. There's one on the other side too. It's really pretty. It's a little ridiculous, but it's really pretty at the same time. And then look at these chairs. These look like something Grandma Babs would have with all her different fabrics. And then the master bath. Ooh, big old bath. There's a big old shower.
2 heads.
Is there? Oh yeah. Oh, 2 rain heads. That's awesome. I might have to come up here and shower. That's just toilet. Look at these. I love the sinks.
Except it's weird.
Why?
Try washing your hands under there.
Oh, it's short.
Isn't that weird?
It's really short.
Yeah.
That is really weird. Well, that's okay. I like how like tall these are.
Yeah, and look, you won't have to turn lights on at night because you'll have the
Oh,
sun
yeah.
coming up through here.
Yeah, that's nice.
And there's a door there, so we won't have this light.
Yeah, that's cool.
But the closet, I don't want this for a home.
Closets. The closet of dreams. Oh my gosh. Wow. And the storage up there too. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, we're still not done, friends. Here's the bedroom again. And then the balcony. It smells so good out here. This smells so good. And the trees. It's just so pretty. And that is it, I think.
Funky.
Look at this little guy.
Look at the elephant on the globe.
Where, ooh, he's pretty.
Isn't he?
That's pretty. Look at that. Wow. I love it. Okay, I think now I've shown you the whole house. There's a lot. This is great. What is it, 4 bedrooms? Yeah, so we have a coupon code for your first day off Air BnB, so just let me know down below and we'll get you that coupon code. And that is it. I don't really know. Our plans for the rest of the night, Cameron and I are going out to dinner with some friends, and I think my mom and Scott are going out to dinner as well. I probably won't be vlogging, so if I don't see ya, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed our last 2 days here in Alaska, and we'll see you tomorrow. I don't know what our plan is tomorrow. Tomorrow might be another relaxing day, maybe another hike, who knows. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in for the next adventure. Bye.